This is a demonstration of the first release of the goal module within PeopleRadius, which is now available in production. The concept is straightforward. You set up a hierarchy or a tree structure with various goal types such as company mission, strategy, department goals, and individual goals. And underneath each branch of the tree, you can set up individual targets for people or teams to achieve. So as you can see, I have set up a hypothetical hierarchy here, and this can be as simple or as complex as we want it to be. You will notice that some branches of the tree are assignable to groups and some others are assignable to individuals. This is something selected when the branch is set up. So for example, if I click on edit, I can select what the assignment mode is. I can also select the parent for that particular goal type or the hierarchy node that I'm creating. I'll leave this for like this for the moment. Now under each branch you can have multiple individual targets for teams or for individuals to accomplish. So for example, if you look under my target under increase efficiency, so now I'm going to the more granular or atomized goals which I can set up and basically hang off of the hierarchy and the branches that I've set up in the hierarchy. And I will click on expand all and I will see my hierarchy here. When I click on increase efficiency, I find that I have one atomized task which is assigned to MP42, which is to lower cost center calls, and I can create another or as many as I need underneath the increase efficiency node. For example, let me set another one up, and let's call it a goal to automate employee expenses and assign it to a MP41, which is a hypothetical user. So I say automate employee expenses, and visibility I make it public so it's visible to everyone, and I say implement Concur or Oracle Web Expenses, and I leave the progress column blank as it is because this is a free form text field which can be anything we want it to be, and I can say my metric is say live by December 31, and I can select a user here, say let me assign it to MP41, which is a hypothetical user. I set a target date of December 31, make it active, and I can say who else can edit it, and I can select one or many, and I can say let's select everyone in the company to be able to edit it. I click on save and I will now see that I have another goal under the increase efficiency node which is set up here, which is to automate employee expenses. And in fact, because it's assigned to MP41, if I go to MP40 to this user's profile, I will actually see that this goal appears in their profile as something that they're working towards. So as you can see, the personal goal for automating employee expenses appears here. The team goals are the other goals I had set up as part of my setup, and these are other things, but these are team goals in the sense they are not assigned to the individual, but they are assigned to teams that this person is a part of. Which takes us to the next topic, which is setting up teams. A team is essentially any arbitrary grouping of people that I choose to create for my company. So if I click on goals and go back to teams, you will notice that I have created two teams here, two hypothetical teams. One is the grade team and another is a team of one. If I click on grade team, I see the three people who are members of the grade team, and team of one has just one person. I can click on plus and I can create another team. I can select any number of people here. Say I can say let's call it the sales ninja team. I can select team members according to a criteria, but because I have so few users, I can just select users this way, and I can select a team leader, say MP42, and I click save. As soon as I do this, this team now becomes available to me as someone that I can assign each of my nodes or my goal types or the hierarchy or my tree branches to, and also individual goals for the goal types that are intended for teams as opposed to individuals. So that's all that there is to setting up goals. You can set up goals and those then show up in people's personal profiles, and that's how it works. Thank you.